I wanted a facelift for a very long time, and I looked into various procedures. The first thing was one that was less invasive, which is a lifestyle lift, and after talking to a few people, I realized that's not for me. So I proceeded to research other plastic surgeons. Probably back in October, just by circumstances, an anesthesiologist who is a neighbor of mine and a friend was telling me that she would recommend Dr. DeJoseph. I went to him for a consult, and I really liked what he had to say, and he was the last plastic surgeon that I spoke with. The first thing that he asked me is what I didn't like about myself. So I told him that I had a lot of junk under my chin and neck area, and the jowls bothered me quite a bit. He then told me that he would do what's called a full face lift, is what he recommended, but that I didn't need to do anything with my eyes. I had no wrinkles by my forehead. He would concentrate underneath just what I suggested. I went ahead and scheduled it for the end of December, and I didn't have to stay in a suite. It was done in the operating facilities adjacent to his building, which made it very convenient. I'm not one that deals with pain very well. However, it seemed to be a lot easier than I thought. I also have had other procedures done in my past and always had something go wrong. I was just so excited. Of course, I had black and blue and some bruising and stuff like that. But I think a couple weeks out, I was already going shopping and doing the retail therapy thing. No matter how often I felt that I needed to see Dr. DeJoseph, I had questions. Sure, come right in. And I was able to go there within a day or 2 days, or it was just comforting to know that they really cared. I recently went to visit my dermatologist, who I've been a patient with for 12 years, and she knew I was going to be doing this. And it was actually her physician's assistant's been with her forever. And she took one look around my ears, and she says it's one of the best jobs she has ever seen, and was so excited. She quickly, with me in the room, went on the internet, looked up Dr. DeJoseph, looked at his credentials, and said, wow, I am so impressed, I'm going to start referring him. Nobody ever suggested, did you have a facelift? And that's what I really liked best. I didn't want to look like I had a facelift. I wanted to look as natural as possible and maybe 15 to 20 years younger, and that's how I feel.